When we create concepts, web designs for clients, we provide them anywhere from 2 to 3 concepts initially. So, for example, if you click here, see the mock-up for this particular web design, and there's another one here. All web designs are modular. So, for example, if a client comes back and say, well, we don't want these icon-driven things used to the icon or use the text navigation that's seen in Design 2B. So everything's modular. We could move this welcome section up into here. We could move these icons up into here, or vice versa. We could use this header and these concepts and move over to this design. Once a client decides exactly on the design they want, then we move into what we call the web page concept. So if you look here, the client loved the simplicity of Design 1A, so we start mocking up the interior pages so they can see a one-to-one, apples-to-apples concept of what their final design is going to look like. Everything from the contact page to all the interiors. Once the client has approved the interior pages, we move into something that's called the demo HTML production, where I'll show you that real quick. So this is the actual website. It's on our testing server, ricardomedallion.com, and we can see here the about, see all the hover effects have been applied. At this point, the client gives us feedback for content, so we're fine-tuning the content for all the interior pages as well, the about, any photos that the client, or in this case you, may want to change out, and so forth. So essentially, once the website is approved at this level, at this stage, then we migrate it over to your hosting, and you always want to have your own hosting plan. There's 2 things you want to treat like your social security number and your driver's license. That's your domain name and your web hosting. Don't give that control to anybody. So once the pages are fine-tuned, then we move or migrate this website, or the website we're designing for you, to your hosting plan, whether that be GoDaddy, InMotion Host, and Network Solution, whatever the HostGator, whatever the flavor of the month happens to be. We recommend GoDaddy, but we have other clients that have their own hosting plan. Some people host their websites internally. We don't recommend that, but essentially that's the process from concept design to demo stage, then to going live on the migration.